What is up, my fam bam? Ashley Elizabeth here with AHM Artistry, and today we are doing this Pink Vibes Valentine's Day look. And it's kind of like the drugstore version, affordable version. I'm not really sure what to call it because I'm using some BH Cosmetics and I don't know if they're sold in any drugstores. I've only ever bought it at Ulta or their website. But it's the drugstore side of Ulta. Or you can call it affordable, but I know some people's version of affordable is different than others, but it's not in the high end. Everything is like Wet n Wild, Covergirl, BH Cosmetics, Hard Candy, that kind of vibe. And yeah, also some AOA Studio, which I know isn't at the drugstore either, but they're only $1. So I'm not sure what to call this, but that's what we're doing today. This bright, bright pink vibes, kind of neon-y pastel vibes. To be honest, Valentine's Day, like, we don't really celebrate. I am married, but we just like cook at home. We just be cozy, and that's what we like to do. I don't really like to go out and stuff. I've never been like super into Valentine's Day, but I am really into Valentine's Day makeup. I just love it. So you can either do this for your boo, you can do this for yourself, for work, for your pups, whoever. Just have some fun because, you know, my saying, makeup's just for fun, and let's have some fun. Also, you'll notice my lights change in the background a couple times. I was supposed to get my full-on lights that I ordered, and this never happened before, but Amazon actually contacted me and they said, well, sorry, your mail carrier lost your package while it was supposed to be delivering. Like, literally gone. Like, they don't know where it is. How does that happen? This light that I got for my backdrop, it was supposed to come the same day. It's in the same shipment. I got that. I didn't get the big giant box of, what are those called? Shadow soft boxes. I didn't get the big box of soft boxes, so that's weird. I don't understand. So I have to contact them and reorder it or something. It's so annoying. So sorry about that. And also you're gonna notice this light in the back changing because this is like a colored light and I'm playing around with it for a different setup that I'm gonna be doing, but let me demonstrate to you. So that's some blue, you know, there's some, let's see, some pink for this pink look. That's really cute. So you'll see that change a couple times just because I'm like trying to play around with it and stuff. I think I need to buy one more. But anyways, that's not what we're here for. We're here today to see how to create the super easy, super affordable, really fun pink Valentine's Day makeup look. So if that all sounds good and dandy to you, well, I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So sit back, hang tight, and keep on watching. Alright, let's start with priming the eyes. I'm going to do the eyes first, and I'm going to use the AOA Studio from ShopMissA. This is the concealer called Wonder Cover in Porcelain. Quick update about the Makeup Revolution Cut Crease Canvas Eye Primer. I used it one more time so far, so I shouldn't say it sucks, but not loving it. It was like I was trying to cut a crease for my Super Bowl look, and it was difficult to use. It was. So, yeah, I don't know about that. More testing to be done though. And then to set my brow bone, I'm gonna go in with my Covergirl True Naked Sunsets palette, and I'm gonna use this brow bone shade that matches my skin tone right on the brow bone. And then a little bit under here too. Now for the pink shades, I went in with my least expensive palette that has pink in it, which is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. I know a lot of you guys have that, and I recently swatched all my pinks to dupe it out for you guys. You can use the Juvia's Place pink if you have that, or you can use the pink from the Blood Sugar palette if you happen to have that. Just use whatever bright pink you have in your collection, but this one can sometimes go as low as like $11 at Ulta or on their website, so that's pretty affordable. The Juvia's Place, I was really on the fence because I really wanted to use it again, but I know I just recently used it, and that one's $20 without using any coupons, so it's like, let's try to do it as affordable as possible. So I'm going to be using, first to transition, I'm going to use this one right here, and then I'm going to be going in with this bright neon one. Now going in with that bright pink shade, focusing right into between the orbital bone and the eyeball, and just deepening it up. Harvey, what are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. hasn't made an appearance in a while. Look at this Harvey mug. Look at him. Look at him. Oh, the puppy. Oh, so cute. Oh, such a big boy. My puppy. I call my dogs my puppies. I have one. I don't know why I said plural, but anytime I see a dog, it's a puppy, you know? Even though he's like 7 years old now. He's a little noisy, so it's gonna be a little nasally in here for a minute. I'm gonna take this little packing brush and just put it on the corner right there. Just pop her in, bippity boppity boo. Okay, now I want to play with some pigments here. So I picked up this at good old Walmart. This is from Hard Candy. It's a Glitterazi liquid sparkler. It says you can use it for eyes, lips, and face. So this is in the shade Confetti. Really pretty. Let's pop some on the back of my hand. Let's take this little concealing brush and apply it. Oh, that's pretty. I'm gonna kind of use this as a primer almost for my pigments that I have. Should we do a little cut crease? Sure, why not? Okay, I'll work on that eye right now because that's a little bit wet. I have from Wet n Wild this Color Icon pigment in the shade Pinkaboo. I think this was a part of their Halloween collection, but I feel like I've still seen it out and about, like at Walgreens and stuff. A little bit into here, same brush. I'm gonna pack it on that just to give that little sparkle dimension. Oh, that's kind of pretty, right? Kind of glowy. Okay, I'll do the other eye. I'll be right back. Okay, that's fine for now. I might change it. I really want to do some white liner there, but we all know what happens with white liner on my channel, and I legit got that NYX one again, and it almost ruined my Super Bowl look. So, yeah, we'll revisit that in a sec. Let's go ahead and do some liner and lashes for now. Pretty simple though, you guys. I'm gonna go in with the e.l.f. felt tip liner. Yeah, I'm still using it. Not the best thing ever, but it is very matte and also $2 or $3. And I'm gonna do a little wingy poo. All right, now I'm gonna do a little bit of lower lash line. You can wait to do this if you'd like, but I like to do it ahead of time. And then I go back in and blend it out once my face is done. And for lashes, I'm gonna be going in with the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara. Still in love with this mascara. Oh my gosh, it's so good. And for lashes today, I'm gonna be using from AOA Studio. I don't remember the name of them, but I'll pop them down here on the screen for you to see what they're called. They are $1 from ShopMissA, and they're super, super good. They're super affordable, and they actually look really nice, so I liked them. After I applied my lashes, I went in with another coat of the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara because I really wanted to beef up these lashes. They are more natural, but when you do another layer of mascara, it definitely beefs them up a lot. And then I went in with my just regular black pencil and just lined the upper waterline, again, just to bring that drama. I'm gonna go do my base makeup, foundation, concealer, powder, all that, and then we're gonna go in with some bronzer, blushes, and some lippies and pull this look all together. Okie dokie. Okay, I look white as a ghost. Let's go ahead and bronze it up now. So I'm gonna use the CoverGirl, what is this called again? True Blend Serving Sculpt Palette. And this is in the shade Rose Nights, or the set Rose Nights, because there's a couple sets of these. Where's my brush? Excuse me. Excuse me. Where are you at? There you are. Whoa, too much. Whoopsies. I forgot how pigmented this was. Now I'm gonna take the Hard Candy Fox in the Box. This is in Party Girl, and I love this bronzer. This is more of a shimmery bronzer, where the CoverGirl is more matte. Layer her up a little bit. Add some life. Oh, that's why I look so pale. My lips aren't done. I'm like, what is going on? I look extra pale. Oh yeah, that little thing called the lips. Now I'm gonna go in with the blush in that same palette. It's nice and pinky, but not like bubblegum pink, because I'm gonna have enough of that going on. Now for some highlight, I'm gonna go in with the AOA Studio from ShopMissA, the Halo highlight, because this is a $1 highlighter and it's bang-a-rang, baby. I'm telling you, it's bang-a-rang. Let me just show you, okay? Do you see that. I know you do because you're looking at the video, but oh my gosh, you guys, it's crazy. Little bit on the nose. Highlight my life, yeah. Oh my gosh, so much, so pretty. Okay, oh my god. Wow, looking pretty. Time for lips. Looking pretty. Time for lips. Let's do the lips. All right, so you could totally do a nude lip. If I were to wear this on Valentine's Day, TBH, I would wear a nude lip just because my husband doesn't particularly like colored lipsticks, but I'm not doing my makeup for him today. I'm doing it for you guys. I'm doing it for me. And you know what? Valentine's Day, you can do something for yourself too. So I'm gonna show you this one. This is from Wet n Wild as well. This is the Liquid Catsuit Mega, metallic lipstick in Pink Your Poison. And I haven't used this yet, and I wanna see how it goes. It may be a little intense and dramatic, but so am I. Let's apply this puppy, but if you didn't want to do this, and this is probably what I'll change into after, this is from BH Cosmetics, you know, just do like a light pink, kind of like a pinky nude would look perfect with this. Like that would look perfect. So you can go with something like neutral or just nude to match your skin tone, something that doesn't compete with the eye look, or you can go full on Valentine's Day pink parade and do this with me. Again, this might Pink Your Poison. I'm not sure if they have this one year round or not. Well, I'm just getting annoying with that, huh? If you wonder where all these like mega metallics, you know, are, like some stores don't carry all of them, like Ulta and Walgreens only carry a limited selection. Walmart has like 20 shades. They have a bunch of exclusive shades there. So there's like a huge range. That's where I got Lavender Crown, which is that grayish kind of purple one. I think I saw this there recently, so this one should still be in stock, but I don't know because I know it was their Halloween collection, but I saw stuff that was still there. So taking a few dips for this, so you have to layer it up a bit. All right, we are almost done. I'm just gonna revisit that lower lash line and just re-blend it out, make sure it's looking poppin'. And then I wanna do a little bit of inner corner highlight. I'm gonna use that same highlighter, the AOA Studio Halo, right in the inner corner. Oh yeah, she just, oh man, the inner corner, seriously just pulls the whole look together every single time. Isn't that insane? Like I feel like, okay, now I'm done. Like, wow. Oh, so pretty, so pretty. And wardrobe change, just had to get some more like pink vibes going. That gray was kind of throwing me off, and now I'm all complete. So you guys, I know this look is very loud and it's very pink, but I'm kind of feeling it. I didn't really know how intense it would be, the two together, but I actually think it looks super cute and different than what I usually see, and different than what I usually do. I kept it kind of light and delicate on the eye look. I didn't want to do the white liquid liner. I was like, you know what? I got enough going on and I think it looks pretty cute, and it's easy and it's simple, and you can either do this for yourself for Valentine's Day if you want to get a little pinky glam on, or you know, for your boo, or for your pups, or for your cats, whatever you want to do. Dude, Valentine's Day, honestly, it's just a day, but you know, it's an excuse to like do extra makeup to me. That's what like holidays are. It's just like another fun, like, oh, I can wear blue and green and blue, you know, and go crazy. So that is that. A word to the wise with the Liquid Catsuit though. It looks really pretty and it actually dried down really nicely. It's not coming off, but it took a lot of layers and a lot of finessing. I mean, for the price, what are these, like between $3 or $5? Like that's not bad, but it was kind of challenging to work with. That is it for today, you guys. If you are new to my channel and you just stumbled upon my face for the very first time, well, hey, what is up? Welcome. Please go down and hit that little red subscribe button. That way you join our fam bam and you get notified when I post, which is at least 3 times a week. And we would love to have you. I hope all you guys out there have a great, freaking, awesome, wonderful, happy day. I hope you have a good Valentine's Day if you celebrate. And if you don't, I hope you have a good, I think it's on a Thursday this year, so have a good Thursday. And don't forget that any day is a good day to tell your loved ones that you love them, even yourself, even your pups. Not just Valentine's Day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope every single one of you out there have a great, freaking, awesome, wonderful, happy, lovely day.